Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to use generative fill in Affinity Studio. The first thing I want you to do is come here to the top panel and click on these three dots to open up this Studio Manager, and then from this drop down I want you to toggle on Canva AI. Once this is toggled on, you should get an option up here, and if you click on it, it will open up the Canva AI Studio. We should get new options here on the left hand panel. What I want you to do though first is come here and make a selection. We have different selection tools. I'll just use the rectangular marquee tool and I'll make a selection right here. And then what I'll do is come here on the left hand panel, click on generative fill tool, and now we need to add a prompt. I'll say add a plant, and then we'll go ahead and click on apply. And now I just have to wait for this to process. And once this is done processing, you should get the result you wanted. If not, you can click here to generate more variations or improve your prompt. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash the like button and subscribe to the channel. It really helps me out as well.